see you guys real soon. Another gorgeous day in Anchorage, Alaska. It has been warm. Yesterday it got up to 77 degrees. And luckily, the warm part of town, according to the news, has been the east side, which is what I'm on. So, ha ha ha. Yeah, that's amazing. Which means today, probably, I don't know, people were saying in Eagle River it got up to 80, so hopefully we'll hit 80 here. Some people were saying 77 to 78 on base. I think when I went longboarding yesterday, it was like, it felt like 79. Like, oh, it was so hot. I love it. It's way better than last summer's weather. Like, every time it's getting sunny, it's getting really, really hot. This is really, really hot for me, if you're new to the vlogs. But yeah, that's insane. Like, every single day that it has been sunny this year, it's been really good. Really, like, above 70 degrees. I think we only had, like, 4 70-degree days, maybe 3 70 or above days in 2011, and now we got like probably close to 10, I'd say, 2 above 80, so that's warm summer, but it's rained a lot too, so I think we might have a warm but wet winter, so probably a lot more ice, probably a little more wet snow, stuff to push out of the way, but I don't think it'll snow quite as much, because that was crazy. Gotta put my phone in my pocket. I got my shorts on backwards, because they're reversible, so my pocket's in here. Okay, gotta go longboarding. Hey, fatty. Come here, Fat. Fine. I don't want to pet you anyways. There's hair on the lens. Hee hee hee. That's weird. Trying to do a hair removal.